Hey guys, so I received my baby registry box from Amazon and I wanna open it with you and share what I got, and you can decide for yourself if you wanna get it or not. I'll also explain what you should do to get baby registry box if you want to get it. This box arrived, I think, yesterday, and I completely forgot about it. I was at the hospital yesterday. There was a crazy day, but that's gonna be in some other video. So I just opened the box and I didn't even look pre-order. Here's the bag, nice. And everything that I'm gonna open, it's this box with amazing baby muslin. I know that I'm gonna need a lot of them. This one is breathable, super soft cotton blanket. So yeah, here's a green cotton blanket. And yeah, this thing is definitely something that is everyone gonna need after delivering a baby. Let's see which was next. And here's this little cute oneies for newborn, and it's 100% cotton and it's off-white color, so it's perfect for boy or girl as well. And the Philips anti-colic bottle. I think that's everyone gonna need as well, so that's perfect. Our best diaper, a Pampers One diaper. One is definitely not enough, but okay, thank you. And here's some samples. Oil, stretch mark, explanation book for the registry, pricing brochures, one more sample of oil and stretch mark oil, Hello Fresh. So annoying because I'm not getting it here, but in LA we were getting it all the time, and I think this is the same oneies in white color. And apple crisp. Honestly, I'm not sure it was worth it. Let me know if you think it's worth of getting this bag. But to get this bag, you actually need to add around 100 items to your baby registry. You need to check all the categories that they say that you need to get the baby, and if you already have it, already bought it, or your friends bought it to you already, you can check it as well there, but you need to complete those tasks and you need to order something for over 10 bucks. I use Amazon Prime all the time, so that was not issue to me. And I got some like slippers or something that I'll need to take with me to the hospital. Then I was able to get my baby registry box. That's it. There's nothing crazy, I would say, but thank you even for that, and thank you for watching.